We're here at Carz in Machesney Park, Illinois, and we are talking about why does my tire go flat? And as you can see, this is actually 2/3 of a tire. The middle is gone, and we've got a rim that was damaged. So when do we know what we have to do with tires? When do we pull over? Let's talk about a couple of things. One, are you doing a walk around your vehicle? Okay, if you see the vehicle leaning a little bit, there's something maybe wrong, just take a walk around, okay? Just check the tires, make sure they look like they're all about the same air pressure, okay? The other thing, if you start to hear a thump, any type of weird noise, or if the vehicle wants to pull in any direction, pull over. It's easier to check it, make sure that everything's in good shape. And the cost of a tire, if you've got like a 20-inch tire, that tire's probably $250. Your rim on a lot of these, you get a 19, 20, 21 rim, these things are $500, $1,000, $1,500. So the cost of a tow at 75, maybe $100 is much, much, much cheaper. And I know it's inconvenient, but it's a lot less money than what a tire is, especially if you damage the rim. So you got to be really careful. If you feel any issues with that tire or your vehicle not driving right, pull over, check it out. If it's low on air, don't try to drive it because you will destroy the tire and potentially the rim.
877-4277